In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Keyboard to a Mac when logged out. This is going to depend entirely on what tools you have access to, because in general, you cannot simply go into the Bluetooth settings and reconnect your Apple Keyboard, or if you have never connected it before, you won't be able to do it if you still need to get through the login screen. If you have a password attached to your iOS device, you will have to go through the screen before you are able to manage your devices and connect new ones. The only exception is if you use a USB cable. So check the port available on your Apple Keyboard. This is going to be by far the most convenient and direct approach to use your Apple Keyboard and connect it to a Mac if you are not able to get through the login screen. You will have to find a suitable cable, which should be a USB cable, USB-C, and you plug it into the port available on the Apple Keyboard. There is no secret to this. The other end is going to go, of course, into your Mac device. Once the connection is established, the keyboard will be usable even on the login screen. So now you can type out your password, and after that has been done, you can go into the Bluetooth settings, make sure that it is connected wirelessly, and then detach the cable as you wish. If you cannot use a USB-C cable for whatever reason, maybe you don't have one available, then it becomes much more difficult. The only other option would be to use a random wired USB keyboard. It needs to be wired because, like I said, you cannot access the Bluetooth settings before you input your password. So grab any random wired USB keyboard, see if any friends nearby have one, see if your neighbors have one, and as long as you are able to connect it to your Mac, you will be able to input your password. So it's either using a cable, connecting it directly to your Apple Keyboard, or using a separate keyboard to get through the login screen. There is not much that you can do if you only have the Apple Keyboard and you don't have a cable or anything else. So if this video cleared up any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.